Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your Telegram channel request to join, step by step. Enabling join requests allows you to review and approve people before they become members of your channel. So let's get started. First, open the Telegram desktop app on your computer. Next, open the channel that you want to manage. Once you're inside the channel, click on the channel name at the top of the window. This will open the channel information page. Next, click the Edit button. In the channel settings, click Invite Links. Here, you'll see your existing invite links or the option to create a new one. To create a new link, click Create a New Link. A window will appear with several options for your invite link. Locate the option labeled Request Admin Approval or Creates Join Request. Enable this option by checking the box or turning on the toggle. You can also customize the invite link by setting an expiration date or limiting the number of uses if needed. Once you've finished configuring the settings, click Create. Telegram will generate a new invite link with join requests enabled. Copy the link and share it with the people you want to invite. When someone clicks the link, they won't join the channel immediately. Instead, they'll send a join request. As the channel administrator, you'll receive a notification whenever someone requests to join. You can then review the request and choose to approve or decline it. And that's it. You've successfully enabled join requests for your Telegram channel. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Telegram tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.